Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a budget versus actual report in QuickBooks Online. This report is a useful way to compare the financial plan you created for your business with what actually happened. It can help you quickly identify where you're spending more or less than expected and see whether your income is meeting your goals. Step 1. Make sure you have a budget set up. Go to Reports, then Financial Planning, then Budgets. If you haven't created one yet, select Create New, choose Profit and Loss or Balance Sheet, pick your fiscal year, and follow the prompts to fill in your numbers by month. Setting up your budget first is important because QuickBooks needs those planned amounts to compare them with your actual financial activity. You can enter different amounts for each month, which is especially helpful if your business has seasonal changes in sales or expenses. Step 2. Run the Budget versus Actuals report. From the Budgets page, find your budget in the list. Click the drop-down in the Actions column and select Run Budgets versus Actuals report. Alternatively, you can go to Reports, search for Budget versus Actuals, and select it directly. Using the search option can be a quick way to access the report whenever you need it, especially if you already have your budget set up. Step 3. Set your report period. Choose the date range you want to analyze, like this year, last year, or a custom range. Make sure the accounting method, cash or accrual, matches how you want to view the data. Choosing the right period makes it easier to focus on the specific time frame you want to review. For example, you might compare your performance for the current month, an entire quarter, or the full fiscal year. QuickBooks will pull up a side-by-side comparison of your actual income and expenses against your budgeted amounts, along with the dollar difference and percentage variance for each line. This makes it easy to spot areas where your business performed better or worse than planned. A large variance can be a useful signal to take a closer look at a particular income or expense category and understand what caused the difference. Step 4. Customize the report if needed. Click Customize to adjust rows and columns, breaking the data down by month, quarter, or year. You can also filter by class, location, or department if you track those. Customizing the report can make it much more useful for your specific business. For example, if you have multiple locations or departments, filtering the report can help you see exactly which areas are staying on budget and which ones may need more attention. Step 5. Export or save your report. Use the export icon to send it to Excel or PDF, or click Save Customization to keep these settings for next time. Exporting the report can be useful if you want to share it with your accountant, business partner, or team. Saving your customization also saves time if you regularly review the same type of budget versus actual report. And that's it! Now you know how to create and customize a budget versus actual report in QuickBooks Online to track how your business is performing against your plan. Reviewing this report regularly can help you make more informed financial decisions and adjust your budget when your business goals or circumstances change. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one!